In this lecture, I'm going to show you exactly how I would purchase a theme from Themeforest. I don't expect you to follow along or buy anything today. I'm just showing you this because this is exactly what I would do if I was going to build a website for a client. So, first and foremost, you need to create an account with Themeforest if you have not already. Since I already have one and I'm already logged in, I'm just going to dive right in. So themeforest.net, I'm going to come over here to WordPress and down to popular items because the theme I want is almost always in this top row. It's just quick and easy. If you don't see the X theme, you could search for it up here. I'll just hit X and hit return, and in theory, there it is right at the top. So this is the theme I'm wanting to buy today. I'll go ahead and click on that link, and I can click buy license. You can see it's $59, and I'll click add to cart. Now let's go to checkout. And with the Envato Marketplace or Themeforest, however you want to look at it, it's a little bit different. If you just check out with PayPal, they actually charge you a $2 handling fee, so the total would be $61. Now, you can use a Visa card, and same thing applies. It will give you a $2 handling fee. Or you can do something called Envato Credit. Right now I have $3 left over from purchasing this way in the past. But what you would do is come up to your account and go down to add credit. And then you can add an exact amount. Now, for whatever reason, it's starting at $20 and goes up in increments of $10. So you could add $60 or $70 to your account. And then that way you wouldn't be charged that extra $2 handling fee, but you're going to end up like I have with extra dollars in your account that you might not use. So anyway, be that as it may, however you want to check out, just know you can either add credit or you can check out with that $2 handling fee. I'm going to come back to my cart and I'll click checkout. Now, once I'm all ready to go, I'll click checkout with my PayPal account and the transaction will be complete. So I've already gone through this. I'm going to go to my downloads section. So once you've purchased a theme, you will see everything that you've purchased. And you can see I've bought multiple copies of the X theme in my day. And what you can do is once you have that, this will always be in your account. So when you're ready to install this theme on your website, I'll come over here to this big green download button and I'll click on that. And I have the choice to download all files and documentation. And if you do that, it's going to look like this. You'll get a zipped folder, and I'll open this up. And you'll see the extensions, and those are all of the apps, all of the plugins that are bundled with this theme. You'll see the licensing agreement. You'll get an XML file with the demo content, so this is how we can import all of those fully finished and fully functional websites. You'll get this documentation file, which shows you exactly how to install it, how to activate it, all the add-ons, basically your user manual, if you feel like reading it all, to learn how to use X. And then of course, this x.zip is the actual theme file. So if you just wanted that and you already are ready to go, once you get going and know how to do this in the future, you can just download the installable WordPress file only, and that's going to download just that regular theme zipped folder. All right, that's pretty much it. So let's do this. What we're going to do is jump into our local by Flywheel. I've got my site. I'll click on admin to get into my site's admin area, over to appearance, and I'll click on themes. Now I can either click add new up here, or I've got this big add new plus sign. I'll just click on that. Either one will work great. And because we purchased this theme, we're actually going to upload the zipped folder. So up here on the top, I have upload theme, and I'll click there. And then I can either click to choose the file, or at least on a Mac, I can click and drag and just drop it right there, and I'll click install now. Once the theme is done installing, I can either do a live preview, I can activate it, or I can do nothing and return to the themes page. And that's what we're going to do right now. And look at this. We still have that demo theme we were playing with active. And now we have the X theme ready to activate. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and click activate. All right, once you've activated the theme, it's going to add this menu item in your sidebar and most likely redirect you to this page. And it's going to say, hey, you're almost finished. You just need to put in your code, your purchase code, to prove that you bought it. So what you can do is go over to Themeforest, and wherever you downloaded that theme, you can click on license certificate and purchase code, download that, and then open up that text file, and it's going to show you who it was licensed to, who is the author of the theme, what was purchased, and most importantly, this item purchase code. So I can copy this code and then go back into my theme and paste it in here. Now, you might need to manage your licenses directly within the ThemeCo account. So you can click on Learn More to actually do a product validation process. But once it's all done, you won't have to worry about it anymore, and then your website will automatically update and you'll have access to all those other extensions. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and paste that code in here and hit return. It's going to verify the license. Congratulations, my site is now validated, and all the red locks now turn green, and I have a lot of bonuses. So I have all of my automatic updates ready to go. I have access to the knowledge base. If I get stuck, I can ask questions. I have this demo content, so I can quickly go through here and add any of these sites to my website, as well as all of these extensions. So now that you've installed the X theme, you would be ready to go. Now, what we're going to do in the next video is talk about child themes. So I know we just installed this theme, but we're going to do one more thing that will help give us the greatest flexibility as we move forward.